Please turn off your cell phones and enjoy the show. Greetings movie makers, this is Cinematic Productions tutorial number 4. Today's tutorial is how to get rid of the red X error particle system. This type of error happens to people all the freaking time, and it gets really annoying, so why not fix it? The first thing you're gonna want to do is, step 1. Go to your hard drive. Then program files, x86. Steam. Steam apps. Common. Source Filmmaker. Game. And user mod. Step 2. Click on gameinfo.txt. Step 3. Go and find gameinfo_path. Then cut it and paste it under TF. Remember, don't forget to save it, otherwise this won't work. Step 4. Restart SFM. Now that wasn't so hard, was it?
No!
All you have to do is 4 simple steps and you're done, so you won't have to suffer those stupid errors that keep on ruining your SFM project. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out on how to begin your SFM project. Sooner or later the next tutorial will be to show you some more tips and tricks to make a successful movie. Subscribe and leave a like, and I will see you next time.